Hey there, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can restart your Beko oven after power cut. So let's say you had a power cut and is not working right now. The solution for this is that you just have to change the time. Only because this is a safety procedure from Beko, is that you want to have the top button right here on the left, press it like 3 times until you're gonna see this clock button. It's going to beep like beep 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 beep. It's going to see that now we can change the time. Then what you need to do is just want to hold the plus or the minus button to actually set up the time again. So you're going to press and hold the plus button, or press and hold the minus button, and that's how you're going to fix the issue. It's super simple, and this is how you're going to do it. So first you're going to press and hold this button right here. Not press it like 4 times, 3 times to actually change the time, and then you're going to press the plus or minus to change the time, and then it should work. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.